everybody. Today we're going to be doing something pretty special today. We're going to be reviewing the Oculus Quest. This Quest goes around for $400 US, and you can either get the 64 gigabyte version, which I got, which is the $400 version, or you can go for the $500 version, which comes with 128 gigabytes. And that's pretty much it. So, the box, let's start out with this. Now the front, you obviously see, it's the Oculus Quest, just shows you off the headset and the two controllers that comes with it. Alright, it also has like the lights and stuff. Now the side, pretty plain. Now the back, it shows off the controllers again. You get the headset right here. You get where the eyes are, where your eyes go. And right here it says all-in-one VR, precision controllers, and easy setup in a room. Special thing about this Quest, this Oculus Quest, the thing that makes it so unique is the fact that it can run games by itself. So that means you don't need a PC to play like VR games, which is the reason I bought it, because I just don't have the money to buy a really good PC to play VR games. So that is probably the best thing about this thing. And it's just, I've been playing with it for a couple hours now. So the thing that is stand out is definitely that, and the fact that it's all wireless. So you're not really, tethered to anything, which is how I feel like VR headsets in the future should be from now on. Like, this is the new standard. That's pretty awesome. So let's open this thing. All right, so first things first, this thing does come with a charger, but since I already opened it up, I couldn't figure out how to put it back in the box for this review. So this is the charger right here. We're just gonna look at this real quick. And it's actually really long. Like, if you look at it, it's pretty long. Like, this is still going. See, look. All right. It's really long, and it's really good quality. It's USB-C, as you can see here. This is the part where you plug it into the headset right here. So you just kind of plop right here, and it charges overnight, or you could be playing and it would be charging. And this would connect to the box that is included here. So let's look at that. So let's actually open this. Just needed to say that first. So let's open it up. So first things first, get rid of this sleeve right here. And just push it out. Just kind of slide it off a little bit. Here it is. And this box, like, the thing about this is that the quality is super nice. Like, this stuff looks like it's from Apple, and that's pretty nice. It's just nice to just have something that's just so quality. Like, you spend $400, and it's good to have a nice unboxing. I feel like I would deserve it. I deserve this. I spent $400 on a headset. I deserve to have a good opening box. All right, well, let's slide open the top real quick. Voila. And here we are. This is what you see when you first open the box. You see the headset. That's like the number one thing you see, and you're like, whoa, wow, look how nice this feels. And like, oh man, look at that. Like, this is just the unboxing experience. So there's this box here that just slides out like so. And this right here has a glasses separator, the box that I was talking about for the charging. And it also comes with, should put that here. It also comes with, this is the thing. It comes with the charger. And this box comes with the manual, a little reference guide, a little safety and warranty manual. And this thing just basically tells you how to set up the headset. And, don't take it outside. How to use the glasses separator, how to strap it together, the controllers, headset itself, and this app that It's free, and you do have to download it to actually like connect everything pretty much, and like put in your payment info to buy games and stuff, which is pretty nice. Like, the app works really well. But onto the headset here, onto the juicy bits. You have your headset, of course, and these are the two controllers. So let's just take out the headset. So this is what this Big Daddy looks like. So, like, I scratched a little bit there. You gotta be careful when you play, because, you know, for me, I end up hitting my head a lot, and, you know, this thing's on your head. So basically the way this thing works is that usually other VR headsets, you have to set up these sensors around your room, and you would have to have to dig holes into your walls and kind of like place these sensors around. But this, you don't have to do that, because these 4 cameras right here are tracking the controllers in like your movement, basically. And that's like the really unique part about this headset. It's mainly why it's wireless. Like, look, you see how there's no wires connected to it right now? Yeah, it's pretty impressive. So on the inside, you have before you start, install the Oculus app, which is, you know, you should install the Oculus app. It's on the App Store or Google Play. So you just take this out, and you get to see the little eyeballs, where your eyeballs go, which is very cool. All right, put that aside. And here are the controllers. So this is the right one. This is the left one. The way you tell, by the way, is these little bumpers right here. These little grip buttons. So basically they're supposed to be on the inside of your hands. So yeah, it's really cool. So these, like, everything here is just really high quality, which is something that I just love about this whole like experience. Because when I first bought this, I was like, okay, this is gonna be like, man, you know, like, I doubt this is gonna work. But I was blown away by how like nice everything feels and such. So yes, I've been having fun with this thing, and I'm just gonna show you how it looks like on me. Okay. So this is basically how you would like put it on, which it's not brain surgery. It's really easy how to do it, but just trying to show y'all. All right, so basically you just put it over your head, and here there's gonna be a couple straps. There's gonna be one strap here, and one strap on the top, and you just kind of adjust it to your head size. So you just go strap, pull that back. For me, I have a really small head, so this is gonna be like, if you were gonna put it on after me, you would definitely have to attach it, or, you know, adjust it and stuff. But you just grab your controllers right here, and then on the side, you have your little power button. You hold that for 2 seconds. That is something that tells you in the manual. And when you first boot it up, it has like this nice UI, and it tells you the instructions, how to pair it to your head or your iPhone, your Android, whatever. And you just kind of pair it like that, and you follow the directions, and then you're literally just jump in and you play. It's really nice. The tutorial level, it starts out with, so basically the application that it has at first is a tutorial, which is really cool because you get to go around and, you know, like, there's things happening around you, like you end up in the water somehow, there's a whale flying above you. And if this is like your first time in VR, then like you're just blown away because you're like, wow, like everywhere I look is something. So yeah, it's definitely a step up from what I used to use, which was the Google Cardboard. As you can see, it's like over there, it's on the squid. So it's definitely worth it. I think it's a great product. And it's really cool to show it to friends and be like, hey, look what I just bought. Like, this is awesome, is it not? And then they usually freak out and stuff, and it's great. So I would personally say that this is a buy. Definitely buy it. If you see it in the store and you have the cash, you just go ahead. Yeah, I mean, like, why not? We all die eventually. Alright, well, I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.